Load your family into the 2011 GMC Yukon. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 400 horsepower, and load-leveling rear suspension maintains a comfortable ride. Top features include front fog lights, power front seats, a power liftgate, and a split folding rear seat. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. State-of-the-art amenities such as memory seats and adjustable pedals yield a more personal driving experience. Premium sound drives 10 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Sophisticated all-wheel drive assures superb handling in any weather condition. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.